Charging your phone is as easy as plugging it in, but not all batteries are that simple. Like your car battery. You may get into your car one morning and realize you left a dome light on, or maybe you've had that car parked for a while. It happens, but don't worry, we'll get you on the road in no time. I'm an Interstate Batteries Pro, and I'm here to show you how to charge your car battery like a pro. Okay, so before we go further, I want to tell you that this video is about charging your battery with a heavy-duty charger. Here's what you'll need: heavy-duty charger, gloves, goggles, or safety glasses. Remember that every car is different. That's why checking your manual is always a good idea. And safety is always first. Live electrical connections and metal are a dangerous combination. So if you're wearing any jewelry, now's the time to take it off. Also, take a sniff around. If you get the smell of rotten eggs, don't go near that battery. Get a hold of a pro and they'll gladly take a look. Oh, and if you feel any heat coming off that battery, let it cool down before you give it a charge. Now, let's get in and check for corrosion. This is usually a crusty green substance, and if you see some, don't worry, it's pretty common. You can brush it off with a pasty mix of water and baking soda. I'll give you a few moments to check on these things. Still dead. All right, now let's get that charger. Car battery chargers come in handy, so make sure to always keep one around. Before connecting the charger to the battery, make sure both the ignition switch and the charger are turned off. First, connect the positive clamp to the positive terminal on your battery. Make sure it's the one marked with the plus sign on the battery. Now, connect the negative clamp to the negative terminal. You can also connect the negative clamp to a stable metal area on your car's body. Take your time, no need to rush this. Great. Now let's set up the charger. You'll have to adjust the volts, amps, and timer depending on the type of charger you have and how much of a charge you actually need. Lower amps mean a longer charging time, but it's often the best option. Always consult your car manual and any directions that come with the charger. Ready? Great. Now, turn on the charger and let it do its thing. Some chargers usually turn themselves off when the battery has reached a full charge, but not all chargers are automatic. Some have a light indicator that lets you know when the battery is fully charged. If yours doesn't have either of these features, check the manual for more info. All right, you've got a charge. Make sure the charger is turned completely off. Now, let's remove the clamps. This time, we're going in reverse. First, disconnect the negative clamp, followed by the positive clamp. Awesome. Now, sometimes jump starting a car may be your only choice. Just remember that a jump won't actually charge your battery all the way, so a charger usually brings the best results in the long run. And if your battery just won't hold a charge, it's time for a new Interstate battery. Or if you don't have a charger, you can always come to one of the 150,000 pros who are just around the corner, ready to help you charge or replace your battery. Liked our video? Give it a like and subscribe to our channel for other videos. Oh, it's full now. These videos are actually pretty good.